If there are three things that make the Kia IV stand out, it's these. First, its design. Kia left behind the boring stuff and gave it a much more futuristic look with its opposites united philosophy. The first thing that catches your eye are the LED headlights and taillights shaped like a 7, a fastback style silhouette that gives it a sporty touch. But a striking design doesn't mean much if the interior feels outdated, and luckily that's not the case here. Depending on the version, the KIV boasts a huge panoramic screen of almost 30 inches that combines three displays into a single module, one for the instrument cluster, another dedicated to controlling the air conditioning, and one more for the multimedia system. And since the interior looks modern, it also had to be practical. The KIV has grown in size compared to the Forte, so now it offers much more legroom for rear passengers and a trunk of over 500 liters in the sedan version. In short, you can fit your suitcases and probably your impulse buys from the supermarket too. Now, let's talk about what happens when you step on the accelerator. The base engine is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder with 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque. It can be paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an IVT automatic, and it's designed to offer smooth, comfortable driving with good fuel efficiency. But if you're the kind of person who likes to overtake without having to pray to the accelerator, the GT Line Turbo version is the one for you. Taking a look at what is under the hood of this vehicle, it features a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that is capable of delivering a robust 190 horsepower along with 195 pound-feet of torque, all of which is smoothly paired with a sophisticated 8-speed automatic transmission system for a refined driving experience. The result is a much quicker response, a more fun drive, and that little smile that appears every time the turbo kicks in. Even though this car might seem really impressive to you, I recommend checking out this other one. You can see it on the screen, and you'll witness something that's gonna leave you speechless.